for joining us. We're coming to you from the 1820 Carl Benjamin Stephenson House in Edwardsville, Illinois. This week we've hosted Miss Lucy's Academy for Young Ladies, and we have 8 young ladies with us who would like to share some of their experiences with you and some of their projects. So let's get started. And what's your name?
Audrey.
And Audrey, what would you like to tell us about this week?
Shadowing.
You made a what?
Shadowing.
Okay. And what is a shadowing?
Pieces of ribbon or string that you can tie stuff to that you need.
And what's the most important purpose of it?
The keys?
Yeah, that's right. It's a place for the lady of the house to keep her keys and some other things that she needs. What else do you have on your shadowing today?
Journal we made.
Okay. Are there other things that you could put on your shadowing?
Yep.
Like?
Like scissors.
Mm-hmm.
Anything basically.
Anything that you need to carry with you? All right. Thank you so much. Hi.
Hi, I'm Caroline.
Welcome, Caroline. What would you like to talk to us about?
I have marbled paper.
Okay. Show us an example of marbled paper. And did you make that? Okay.
And you can use it to make journal covers, or you could really just frame it for decoration.
Oh, it's beautiful.
You can make it in all designs.
Okay.
You could just leave it as it is without like swirling it around, like
Mhm.
just dots, or you could swirl the colors together.
Now, is that something you made with a paintbrush?
No, you make it in starch, I think, and you put little paint mixed with water in it.
Oh, you put drops of paint in there?
Yeah,
Oh,
and then you put your paper on top and let it dry.
that is beautiful. Are you going to? Do you have any plans for your other papers yet?
No, I think I might make some more journals though.
That's a great idea. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi. What's your name? Allie. What would you like to share with us?
Marbled paper.
You enjoyed that project also? Can you show us some of your example? Mm-hmm. And? Now, what did you tell me was special about this one?
I like the rainbow that I made on it.
Okay. Show us the back. Oh. Can you open it up and show us on the inside? So you could just choose whatever colors you wanted?
Yeah.
Very creative, very creative. Well, maybe not. Oh, you have a little knot there. Okay. Now show us the inside part. Oh, I see. There's more of that rainbow effect. Very creative. Very creative. Anything else? No? All right. Thank you. Hello. And what's your name?
Edith.
Edith. What would you like to share with us?
My shadowing.
Okay. Come stand over a little bit. There you go. And what did you like about making the chandelier?
I liked how we could, it was probably easier than all of the different projects we did.
Okay.
And it was also quicker for me.
Okay.
I like how you can hang different stuff on it, like the journal or keys.
Okay. And what's this at the top?
This?
Mm-hmm.
So it's 2 different hexagons that we sewed together, and then we put a button on top for extra decoration. But then on the back you've got the clip that you can clip to your dress, and then they also connect these to that.
Okay. That is very clever. Anything else you want to talk to us about?
No.
All right. Thank you very much. Hi.
Hi, I'm Beatrix.
Yes.
I like to make the journals.
Okay.
and because you can do all kinds of, you can write all kinds of different stuff in them.
Mhm.
You can draw in them. You can use them as a notebook. You can use them as a diary. You can use them as a recipe book. And here's an example of what I use them for.
Oh, to do some drawing?
Yeah.
Now, is that a pencil or a pen? How did you draw those?
This is a flying cake pop.
Oh no. Oh no. And then I see some writing on the next page. Yeah. So what kind of pen is that? It looks a little different from what I'm used to.
I use a quill
Okay.
to write in it.
And a quill with what on it?
Ink.
So you had to dip it in the ink and then write a little bit at a time?
Yeah.
Has that the first time you've done that?
Yes.
Oh, do you think you'd like to do that some more sometime?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. Hello.
Hi, my name's Annabelle and I'm making like
Embroidery.
embroidery.
Can you show us what you have done so far? Oh, it looks like you're gonna put some initials.
Yeah.
Okay. And turn it over. And is this the first time you've done embroidery?
Yes.
Did you find it pretty easy to do?
Yeah.
And what's it attached to here? What's this whole thing gonna end up being?
It was going to be a bag, but then I decided to make it like a pillow.
That's very creative. And so did you just find all this fabric together, or how did you do this?
So there was 3 pieces of fabric together, and then you
Here,
sewed.
like this so they can see.
Then you sewed them together.
Oh, like a patchwork.
Yeah.
That's very clever. Very clever. Anything else? No. Did you guys, let's see, this week, did you do anything in the kitchen?
Yeah, we baked a little bit, and then we did some marble painting,
Marble paper. Okay. And what else?
and then we did some clay work.
Okay. And I understand you guys had a little dessert today?
Yeah,
They did.
mhm,
That's pretty cool. I like that idea.
mhm,
Was it easy?
a little bit.
And can you tell me a couple ingredients you used to make your sherbet?
Sugar,
Mhm.
egg whites,
Did it have a special flavor to it?
citrus.
Okay. Very interesting. Very interesting. Thank you. Hello, Anna. Oh, I told you her name.
I made a chatelaine,
Chantilly.
and you can hang stuff on it.
Now, what is this thing behind it? What is this? Is that part of the chantilly?
There's a clip to hold it on.
Okay. But what is this? What is this piece called?
A pocket.
That's a pocket. And where did so you had a pocket from a different year that you came to visit?
It's not my pocket.
Oh. Where did you get a pocket?
Audrey.
Who's Audrey?
My sister.
Your sister. Let me check with Miss Audrey. Miss Audrey, did you make this pocket at camp one year?
Yes.
Oh. And this is unusual too. What is this?
A pin cushion.
A pin cushion. Should I ask Miss Audrey again? Miss Audrey, is this pin cushion a previous camp project?
Yes.
This is very interesting. Very interesting. Now, are there other things?
Like scissors, like pouches and stuff.
Just anything? Hello.
Hello. Hi, I'm
All right.
In the bag, I'm probably going to put like fabric scraps that maybe I'll turn into some kind of like pincushion like Anna had,
Okay.
if they're big enough.
That's very neat. Anything else you'd like to talk to us about?
No.
No? What? Tell me what project did you get to do this before lunch today?
We got to make a picture of the Benjamin Stephenson house using a stencil and little pastel or chalk pastels.
Okay. And how was that?
Messy.
Messy.
Fun, but messy.
Messy but fun. I like that. I like that. Anything else you want to add that somebody didn't talk about?
We made kind of like a Gatorade, I forget what it's called, but in the kitchen the other day, or yesterday.
Switchel.
Yeah, we made a
Switchel.
and it tasted like someone put all of the flavoring from like 12 different bottles of Gatorade into the one.
Yeah, I tasted it. It was lemon ginger. No, was it lemon ginger? Yes, lemon ginger. I thought it was pretty tasty. But
I liked it when it's watered down.
yeah, watered down. That was better. Okay. All right. Anybody have anything else they'd like to add? Oh, did you raise your hand?
No.
I think Allie did. I think she raised her hand. She wants to come back up there.
We have voices from behind the camera all of a sudden. Well, I'd like to thank all of the grown-ups who gave our girls the opportunity to come and stay with us, visit us this week, and our lovely assistants. Round of applause. And our photographer, Casper.
And our hostess, Amy.
Roxanne rocks.
Yep, and Roxanne rocks.
Get one Roxanne rocks.
Hey, come on.
Please spread the word about the Benjamin Stephenson house. And I believe we have some music to close up with today.